Hey car enthusiast, welcome back to RevZ Car Review. Today we're gonna review the Bugatti Mistral W16, 1,600 horsepower, no roof. The final chapter of the most powerful production engine in history. This is the Bugatti W16 Mistral. Mention limited production, 99 units, price starting at approximately $5 million. Quote Bugatti CEO about the W16 farewell. Number 1. Design philosophy visuals. Carbon fiber curves, signature horseshoe grille, X-tail lights inspired by Bolide. Talk about aerodynamic efficiency with open top, redesigned air scoops, rear diffuser, wind tunnel animation showing airflow. Mention Mistral equals powerful Mediterranean wind. Fitting name for a car this wild. Number 2. The heart. W16. Engine specs breakdown. 8.0-liter quad-turbo, W16 1,600 horsepower at 7,000 revolutions per minute, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, approximately 2.4 seconds top speed, 420 plus kilometers per hour. Compare with Chiron and Devo performance. B-roll, exhaust flames, revving clips, POV acceleration. Quick engine porn montage with macro shots of turbos, intake, and exhaust. Number 3. Interior and craftsmanship. Show premium leather, aluminum accents, crystal shifter. Detail customization. Bespoke colors, hand-stitched seats, titanium controls. Talk about roof storage and rigidity for open-top safety. Visuals. Slow pan of cockpit from driver's point of view. Number 4. Driving feel. Reviewer commentary, steering precision, throttle response, stability at high speed. Explain how the suspension balances track performance with luxury comfort. At 50 kilometers per hour, it's a Rolls. At 300 kilometers per hour, it's a rocket. Split screen of point of view driving and exterior flybys. Number 5. Legacy and rarity. Talk about the W16 engine's 20-year history. Veyron, Chiron, Mistral. Why this is the last purely combustion Bugatti before hybrids, electrics. Mention investment value. Future collector's gem. Number 6. Outro and emotional wrap. Cinematic shots. Driving into sunset, engine echoing in mountains. This isn't just Bugatti's goodbye to the W16. It's a farewell to an era of no-limits engineering.